Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create awesome banners like this one in 4 simple steps. And as you can see, you can use this type of banners to create cards for any occasion or lettering compositions like this one. You're only going to need a couple of tools, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need and how to create them. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I'm so happy you're watching this video. My name is Maira with VL Designs, and I'm creating this video as part of the design team for the Peggy letters. Next, we're going to go over the tools and everything you need to learn how to draw these amazing banners. So for this tutorial, we're going to need pencil to sketch, and I'm going to be using the monoline studio pens, and I'm going to be using the 01 and the 03, and also eraser. And last but not least, paper, which I'm using a 65-pound cardstock. You can use whichever paper you like depending on the type of project that you're going to create. Let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to grab your pencil, and then we're going to do this motion, sort of like an inverted continuous S shape that we're going to do. So we're going to go like this, and in here you're going to keep in mind of how wide and how long you want your banner to be, and depending on that, that's how long you're going to draw this shape. So I'm going to start like this. I know it's hard to see here in the video, but once you're done with the first shape, it should look like this. And now we're going to draw the exact shape, but it's going to be parallel to this one, but we're going to leave like around like half an inch. You can leave more or less depending on how wide you want your banner to be. And we're going to follow the exact same motion. And once you're done drawing both shapes, you should have something like this. Now we're going to start connecting both shapes to start forming our banner. We're going to connect it here, connect it here, here, and here. And then for the ends of the banner, we're going to do like a horizontal V for both ends of the banner. Now this is the part that you can start fixing anything that you don't like in your banner, and that's what I'm doing here. Once you're done, you should have something like this. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our monoline pen. I'm going to be using number 3, and then I'm going to go over the banner. But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to keep in mind which one goes out front, which part goes out back. So for example, these 3 right here will be the front of the banner, and then this will be the back of the banner. And to do the outline, I'm going to be using the monoline and studio pen 03. Now once you go over everything with the monoline studio pen, it's time to go ahead and erase the pencil marks. And that's it. That's how simple you can learn how to draw amazing banners. But now let's make it even better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my monoline studio pen, and I'm going to go over the banner, making sure that I fix any imperfections that it might have. And so I'm going to go ahead and outline everything again. And now let's add some details to the back part of the banner. You can add these lines, and as you can see, they are all in different sizes, and you're going to do this throughout the whole back part of the banner. For the next part of details, we're going to be using the Monoline Studio Pen 01. I'm going to be adding lines to the size of the banner, and if you can see here, the lines are a little bit curved and they are also different sizes. This is to give it a little bit dimension to the banner. And this is the final result. I love this type of banner because this technique is so easy to make, and the final result is really amazing. Now let's use the same technique to create different types of banners. As you can see, this one opens from the right side, so we're gonna flip it and have another banner open on the opposite side. And also you can do different types of ends to your banner. So let me show you what I mean. With this one, we started like this. Now we're gonna start the opposite way. And we're gonna use the same technique with the continuous S shape. And then we're gonna do the same thing underneath it. And then as you're seeing it, you can always, like I said, that's why we're working in pencil, and then you can go ahead and fix whatever you don't like. And now we're gonna close the ends. So we're not gonna do a V shape, we're gonna close it out like this. And we're gonna close it the same way on the other end of the banner. And now I'm gonna use my Monoline Studio Pen 03, and then I'm gonna go over everything. When it comes to decorating the banners, you can get really creative. I decided for the back end of this banner to go ahead and paint everything. And here you can see both banners next to each other. I think they both look amazing and different. And the good thing is that you can use the same technique for both of them. What I love about banners is that you can use them to create beautiful lettering compositions. And for the first one, I decided to write the quote, "You are an amazing human," just because I thought this is a good reminder that we can all use on a daily basis. And you can use any phrase that you would like. Just remember to have the phrase in mind at the beginning, because that's going to help you decide how long you would like your banner to be. And another thing that you can do to make your letters better is that you can go back and thicken the downstrokes. This is usually known as faux calligraphy. I do have free tutorials and worksheets on my blog at vialdesigns.com, and I know that Peggy also has free resources on her blog as well. This is the final result for the first banner and the quote that we wrote inside. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it, and also what other quote would you write on a banner. For the second banner, I decided to use it as a card, and I'm going to be writing Happy Father's Day to you, just because Father's Day is coming up here in the United States, and I thought this was a great opportunity to create a card for it. And when I finished making the video, I realized that I'm missing something on this card, and let me know in the comments if you can find the little something that I'm talking about. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and definitely start drawing banners using this super simple technique. If you do, be sure to tag me on Instagram as vialdesigns and send me a DM if you would like to receive these cards as printables or templates to trace.